Justin Snow, Project Manager at Mid-South Construction. Today we're in Brentwood, Tennessee. Originally, a customer called me for a roof inspection. Came out. Upon the initial inspection, we found that there was hail damage, significant hail damage, all over the roof, soft metals, and the metal roof in the back. Filed a claim with the insurance company. Insurance company sent an adjuster out. We met with the adjuster. We were in agreement that the roof needed to be replaced. All we did then was get an agreed scope of work. Once we had the agreed scope of work, we picked out colors, and then we proceeded to execute as the customer wanted. As you can see behind me, we replaced the shingles with a Camelot II designer shingle, open metal valleys. We redid the copper dormers and the copper counter flashing as well, and we also redid the gutter system to half round instead of the K style. We also redid the standing seam metal roof on the back side of the house and some interior painting. All in all, I would say that the project turned out nice.